companies and businesses require high solar power capacities for direct marketing or self-consumption. PV systems should be designed for decentralized installation and external control. For these commercial and ecological demands on the production and utilization of solar energy, Costal offers the perfect solution with the Pico CI100 solar inverter. The Pico CI100 delivers everything required for PV system construction in project-based operations. Powerful performance, maximum reliability, and built-in cost optimization, all combined with great flexibility in system configuration. Its efficient operation is achieved through optimal technical equipment, supporting maximum self-sufficiency. The Pico CI100 also enables the integration of components for time-shifted self-consumption, ensuring solar energy reserves can be used when the sun isn't shining. This further enhances self-consumption maximization and autonomy. Companies and businesses benefit from the versatile applicability of the Pico CI100. Whether operating alone or in combination with other inverters, the PV system configuration can be perfectly adapted to local and economic conditions. The Pico CI100 impresses with its robust and clear design, enabling easy operation from installation and commissioning to maintenance. The compact dimensions allow for an easy and space-saving PV system setup. The configuration of the photovoltaic system and the Pico CI100 solar inverter can be effortlessly carried out using common planning tools such as Costal Solar Plan. Parameterized data leads to automated and fast system design. This planning process includes pre-simulated power consumption based on standardized load profiles and directly calculates potential self-consumption and feed-in rates, as well as autonomy levels. The Pico CI100 is a robust and durable high-quality product. Beyond the manufacturer's warranty, Costal offers a 5-year warranty upon registration, which can be extended by an additional 5 years, providing a total warranty period of 10 years. Combined with Costal's comprehensive service, this ensures full investment protection. Costal service means quick, reliable support directly from Costal and its certified expert partners. The operational time of the Pico CI100 is maximized through device automated event notifications and Costal's prompt service. The Pico CI100 is a powerful solar inverter designed for high efficiency, making it perfectly suited for large commercial rooftop installations and project-based operations. Profitable, reliable, and smart.
Costalize your energy.